Hi, good morning. I'm Diana Tronco, CEO and founder of Inco-Drilling. Inco-Drilling provides directional drilling services to geothermal operators, customers. And what is geothermal is the positioning of the well into the zone of target, like a reservoir of hot water or hot rock. We have started 8 years ago in the Western European market, and we are starting. Our aim is really to offer an alternative from the big companies to be a more flexible, more customer service, but also with high quality and orientated to achieve the development of geothermals, those supporting customers, again, in all Europe. But we are now expanding to Iceland. We are drilling in Iceland at the moment, and we are looking to, thanks to the success we have had, to expand worldwide. Bochum in Germany has been a very interesting project. From the application side, it's old coal mines that have been abandoned, and as you know, there is much dispute or political issues on the development of coal, the new purposing of all coal mines that have been flooded naturally. And the projects are two wells, one shallow, one deep. So the shallow has let's say 30 degrees temperature, while the deeper has a temperature of about 60 degrees, more or less. And then it's the water from the shallow well. It's used during summertime to cool the buildings, because then you need cooling, you need energy for cooling the buildings. And then you inject that water in the deeper well, and the deeper well has a warmer, let's say hotter temperature. So in winter time you switch it over, you inverse it, and then you use the water from the deeper wells to heat the buildings and inject it in the shallow well. So it's a very innovative from the guys of Bochum and Fraunhofer who have been developing this concept. And it has been getting a lot of attraction from also companies and people in the UK, in Poland, that they also have a strong coal mining history. So now it's everyone wants, of course, to contribute for a more sustainable future. And it's a great opportunity to repurpose these coal mines. But they are more conventional doublet geothermal projects in the Netherlands or in Iceland, where we are also involved. Okay, so we have provided fit-for-purpose technology. I come from bigger companies where sometimes it's more the look at the profit, how much profit you can make from customers, even though the technology is not what the customer needs. So our approach is come with technology that works and is simple as possible to avoid extra costs for geothermal customers, because hot water doesn't pay the same as oil or gas. And then customers are really a whole, you can say it's the same, but the customers are very different. And also lost in hole liabilities. If you lost in hole equipment that it's very expensive, of course it's marvelous to have such technology, but if it's lost in the hole, it can mean bankruptcy for the geothermal operator. Yes, so I do believe, and by the experience we have gathered, it's more important that governments across Europe and companies, we all focus to develop first geothermal energy from systems that are not that deep, so around 1,000, 2,000 meter deep, and we really masterize the art of drilling. before really going to deeper wells of 4,000, 5,000, that they are very complicated and the costs are massive in comparison, and it can really damage the public opinion. So it's something very, very delicate. And I will say why we want to fly before we masterize the art of walking. So let's go step by step and try to make it right from step one.